Take a moment to arrive here, right where you are. Close your eyes and take one breath in and hold it. And exhale, releasing anything you've been holding on to. You've been taking care of everything today. The emails, the calls, the people who need you, the tasks that never quite get finished, the mental list that follows you from room to room and keeps you company when you're trying to sleep. And somewhere in the middle of all of that, you forgot something. You. Not dramatically, not all at once, just gradually, quietly, the way it always happens, one small postponement at a time, until taking care of yourself became the thing that always gets pushed to later. Later is now. As you inhale, feel what it is like to be the one receiving something for a change. Let this breath be entirely for you, not for anyone on your list, not for anything that needs doing, just for you. And as you exhale, let yourself actually feel that, the radical simplicity of one moment that belongs only to you. You cannot keep giving from empty, and you deserve to be full. Come back to this breath as many times as you need it today. I am sending you so much love.